Hey guys, wagwan, it's your girl la Belle and welcome to my channel. Okay, today we are going to be doing I think it's called the unrecognizable like makeup look. It's really only unrecognizable because I will be doing a non-standard, not usually requested makeup look. To me, this is my normal, this is my recognizable, but whatever. We're going to start off first with the blonde brows. You're going to brush your brows, see what you're working with. You're gonna get concealer. I have e.l.f. in Deep Caramel. All right. Okay, and you're just gonna brush. This is gonna make them disappear, but that's fine. We're gonna draw you some new brows. Clean it up a bit. You don't have to clean this early. It's just bothering me that it's right there like that. I might have to put some more concealer right there. Like, you want it to be like almost nearly invisible because you want a blank canvas. Y'all need to remind me to smile because sometimes I talk to y'all like y'all are my students and I don't like y'all. Y'all are my students. This is Beauty University and I love all of y'all. No bars. Or all 34 of y'all who are actually watching. Yeah. All right. So brush it in. Yeah, pat it in. You know I love to pat my makeup in. If you're trying to pack it, you better pat it. It just looks like a big blob on my face. I'm trying to like trust the process myself, but this is always a problematic thing to do. You get your spoolie back and you brush her in again. Okay, now let's set it. My setting powder that I'll be using for my routine is Banana Deep Revolution. Oh, sorry. The Beauty Bay Neutral palette. This step is optional, like you perfect it to your liking. I'm gonna add Cookie. Okay, I don't know what we were looking for. I don't know if this is supposed to be like a cheetah print, but let's shape them because I'm gonna get irritated. So shape them how you like them. It won't look normal until you shape it with foundation. We're gonna get the concealer and we're gonna only use it underneath the brows and use your regular foundation above. I wanna make them touch like eagles. You're going to mark above with foundation. This is L'Oreal Infallible shade 520. I thought this was just my summer foundation, but it's actually not. It is my shade now. I'm not with Metro Women anymore. I'm with AT&T. So I say that because I used to use Maybelline Fit Me religiously, but recently I feel like I'm a certain shade and I'm not like, I'm warm but I'm not like too warm. It's just not shade matching like it used to, you know. When I put it on I always feel ashy. Who wants to look ashy with their foundation? I'm just gonna put it on my eyelids and my nose area before we continue. Also, wipe off your concealer before you blend in that foundation, just to give you like a highlight. That's all it is. I need to make this makeup look like fast because this little thing I got on my forehead, busting. It hurts so bad, y'all. If you made it this far, what comes first? Hair, outfit, or makeup? And just at that point, just give me the order in which you do everything. Hair just always comes first. Even if the makeup and the outfit have to switch, hair always comes first. I don't make the rules, I just follow them. Actually, I do make the rules. You should follow them. All right, we're gonna set our eyeshadow. Pat down. Hey, yo, what's that? Oh, okay. We're back in the Beauty Bay. We are gonna start our first color with Shell. We're gonna go in our inner corner, just like that. I'm a repay, yeah, sorry. So, I already love it, oh my gosh, I already love it. Okay, so you're going to do a windshield wiper movement. Really more up, down, rather than left, right. into your inner corner, just like that. We will blend it in later, like blend some more, but this is all I want you doing. Keep going. And when your arms get tired and you start thinking you're gonna get arthritis, go some more. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna go on the other side. I also want you to do this underneath your brow bone. This is when you're gonna do the windshield wiper, left, right, left, right. A little bit into the middle. You don't want it to go under your whole brow, and you want it to like end at your ankle right here. Kinda. Want us to go back into our inner corner and bring that just a little bit into your inner. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna close your eyes and just go ahead and bring it to the center a bit. Yeah, and go up a little bit more. That's gonna look awkward a little bit, but we're gonna blend this. All right, so our next color that we're going into is suede. Suede, suede. This is the center. All right, so the way that I'm doing it, I have my flat brush. Remember how I taught you guys about fluffy? The higher you go up, the fluffier it is. She's medium fluffy. I'm wasting my product, but I forgot to show y'all. Yeah, so she's medium fluffy, not too loose. You know what I'm trying to say, but it's still tight enough to pick up enough product and not go all over the place. Okay, I think I articulated that very well, very well. Anyways, back to suede, and we're gonna go back into the center. Side note, I don't really like Beauty Bay. I don't like this palette that much when it comes to the brown, but when I tell you the gray is so pigmented. Now onto our next brush. You see, this is way a little bit more loose, but not the loosest. Could be looser, loosely. All right, so now we're going into Heather. Heather is really gonna be the star of the show when it comes to the rest of the face, of the eye. And then whoosh, you're just doing like, this is all really just a blending horizontal kind of look. All right, so you're going in like that. Windshield wiper, that's all I'm finna say. You know the deals, don't act brand new. But what we're gonna do is, we're gonna close our eye. We're gonna go up and over. Oh yeah. Make it touch where shell, the original color was, at the brown bone. You want it to touch both shells, basically, your inner corner and up there at your brow. Why? Because I told you so. Heather's that girl. Like, do y'all remember Heather from Total Drama Island? Yeah, I used to think she was mad annoying, like she was doing the most. But honestly, she was just a girl who knew what she wanted. She wanted that Millie. A milli. Cover the rest of your lid like that. Yeah. Perfecto. And just when you thought we were done with our eyeshadow, we're not. So you get your tightest brush. Like, she's not moving. And you're gonna go into your black color. In this palette, Beauty Bay Neutral, it is jet. And you're gonna go like a boomerang. You know the shape of a boomerang? That's what you're doing. All right, and if the only boomerang you know is Instagram, we need to take a couple steps back and we need to go back to technology-free days. Okay, I've never used the boomerang, so I don't know what I'm talking about like that, but I know what it is. All right, so boomerang it. You're really just defining it like a wing, and you're gonna blend everything in. That's all. Technically, we've been blending, but now we're really gonna get a naked brush and blend everything. Like, a little bit like you wanna mess your makeup up, but you're really not trying to. Okay. So pat yourself on the back because you made it this far in the video. If my mouth look weird, it's because I'm eating Skittles. I'm gonna do my routine off camera. If you want to see my makeup routine, my base, comment down some pink and white emojis. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you with the rest of my face did so we could do the lips. So this is kind of it. Now we're gonna go into the lips, my favorite part. We're done with the face. I added a little bit of highlighter because, you know, why not? We are going in with the LA Girl Berry Wine. I like to overline my lips, so that's what we're gonna do first. I like to just blend it in manually. You could use a brush, but something about struggling. And because I overline, you have to be like harsh on your line, like where your lip actually is, because you don't want the light reflection to make it look like you got a mustache. All right, then we're gonna go in with Peak Show. I actually got this, like the lip look from Raggedy Royal. Like I love her. Like she's iconic when it comes to lips. Again, we're just like mixing it. We go in again. I want to end her looking matte, but like I feel like we're kind of plain everywhere else, so we had to low-key end glossy. I kind of did my hair, so now I'm just literally adding clear gloss from the Beauty Supply. Ooh, put too much. And yeah, like this is really it. This is her. All right, this is my unrecognizable or unapproachable makeup look. If you like it, great. And if you don't, you still watch till the end of the video. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you want more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. I hope you have a great day or a good night. Toodaloo.